So we're still on working with conditional operators and the control statements. So one thing you need to be careful when using the conditional operators is you have to ensure that you use the right symbol, which is in this particular case the one that's most confusing is the equal sign. The double equal sign, we are testing the conditions. So if I try the screen, then we look at the material monitor again, we notice that the condition is false because x is not equal to y. In this case, if you look at line 3 and line 5. However, if I change it from conditional statement to an assignment statement, see what will print on the next line. So run the simulation, then we notice it comes out true. If I change y to, let's say, 1,000 or 10,000, the statement again to always be true. What is happening is that when we reach the if part, we actually reassign the value of x to y, and hence it will always be true because x will always be equal to the value of y in this particular case, and we wouldn't have the right statement being executed. So we can test this out by printing the value of x. Else condition, so we can print x equal to x. Run the simulation. Yes, the statement is true, x equals 1,000. However, if let's say change it back to 10, if we do the use the assignment operator, it will tell you statement is false, the value of x equals 5.